The 4 things you must do before ordering your Byte Aligners Impression Kit. Would you like straighter teeth, but you don't want to waste your time or money? Your forever smile might be in reach with Byte Aligners. If you want to get the most out of your new smile, think about these 4 things before you order your Byte Aligners Impression Kit. 1. Cavities. Long-term costs of a straight smile will be extremely high if decay and infection are undiagnosed. The majority of cavities do not hurt until they are very large or close to the nerve, resulting in a much more expensive solution than if they were treated early. Sometimes infections are not painful, making you unaware that bacteria are causing bone loss or other health issues. 2. Gum disease. Periodontal disease and gum disease are generally painless, but left untreated they can result in tooth loss and bone loss, limiting your options for restoring your smile. It is important to visit a dentist for a thorough examination and x-rays before starting tooth alignment to ensure your straight smile is also healthy. It is possible that orthodontics alone will not result in the smile of your dreams. 3. Veneers. Your ultimate goal is to see the best Byte Aligners before and after photos. In the case of shorter or smaller teeth, or wear caused by a bad bite, veneers can provide the desired aesthetic look. Orthodontic treatment requires consideration of the positioning and spacing of cosmetic veneers. A dentist with experience in cosmetics and orthodontics should be consulted if you are not satisfied with your teeth's shape, size, or color. 4. Implants. Crooked or shifting teeth can often be the result of missing teeth. When a tooth is missing, the surrounding teeth will shift into the gap. By compensating for the missing tooth, you can wear down other teeth and joints. When straightening teeth, special considerations must be taken if an implant is needed. Aligning teeth requires proper space planning. It's important to consult a dentist who specializes in replacing missing teeth to ensure you're not spending too much time on the treatment. Google your local dentist and read their latest patient reviews if you want to find the best one. A dental exam will allow you to determine if you need an orthodontist or order a Byte Aligner Impression Kit. To receive 85% off your Byte Impression Kit and $100 of your aligners, click the link below in the video description today.